Hi, I'm Greg Wilkes from Develop Coaching, and I specialise in helping construction business owners create more time, freedom and money from their business. Now, I hope you're doing well and as safe as can be in these difficult times. Now, there's no doubt about it, is there, that times have changed almost overnight. And even if your construction business was rapidly progressing at the beginning of 2020, it's highly likely that now you're suffering the economic effects of the COVID-19 virus in your business, just as so many other construction business owners are. Now, I wrote a book and published it last year entitled Building Your Future: How to Create a £1 Million Plus Construction Business. And it was designed specifically for small construction business owners like you to get your business in a position to rapidly grow and smash through the £1 million turnover barrier. But more importantly than that, it was also designed to help your construction business to get through a recession. So the book is probably more applicable now than ever before. Now, it's sad to say, but the reality is that this time next year, many construction companies will just not be around. Many business owners will just bury their head in the sand and just hope they get through this recession to come. But now it's more vital than ever to take action if you want your business to survive and then come out of the other side of this crisis. Now, not only do I want you to survive, but I want you to thrive when we come out of the other side of this. So what I've decided to do is offer a promotional price on my book in just 9 days' time. So I'm going to reduce the Amazon Kindle price to just 99 pence to really help small construction business owners like yourself. So there's really no excuse not to get it. 99 pence, less than a cup of coffee. Now, in the book, you'll find I've created a unique develop strategy that covers 7 key areas. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about the areas, the strategies, every day until the book's finally available at 99 pence. And just remember, it's only available for 2 days at this price. So in the meantime, make sure you're following all my social media handles, which I'll put in the comments below, as I'll be giving away lots of free content and valuable information that you'll be able to apply for your business.